Okay, so a quick preview of the Lego stuff. Start with a minifig. One minifig, two minifig, three minifig, four minifig here, five minifig here, six the fireman, seven the space guy, eight the police, nine the police, 10 the police, 11 the guy here the police, 12 the guy inside who is the criminal, and we have 13, 14 and 15 over here. So 15 minifigs in all. Here is the garden, nice lovely garden, one man sitting on the bench, cowboy, one man taking a walk, flowers around, nice and lovely. Okay, then we have the biggest police station. The police station has got an inquiry officer right in front. First up, desk, cafeteria, chair, table, coffee machine, two cups. There is a guy in the jail, so let's close it before he runs away. Wow. And there's the cop on duty, lot of phones to attend, radar, display, lot of things. Map of the city in the police station as usual. The guy busy talking to someone. There's a nice let's look at it this way, yeah. And there's a cop trying to get on the stairs. He's a full cop, huh? There is the nice fire brigade. The fire brigade is a very nice one. It looks very neat like this, and it's got springs on its wheels, so it's got shock absorbers. As you can see below, there are springs on the wheel. Nice little fireman with a hose, something which the rubber, the pipe goes in here. The truck is made nice with an extinguisher in front, lights on top, and again the best part, it's the way it shakes when you, yeah. Small little car, construction worker, gear. Here is his construction site. The fire brigade also can take this for a water tank instead of the ladder. Boat has got a full-fledged diver ready to go. Diver wearing his diving gear, which can easily be removed. Here's the diving gear. The helmet can go up, come down, and the diving gear can be removed, put back. There is the snorkel if he wants to go snorkeling, and there is also flaps which can be easily worn by this guy if he wants to go swimming deep. Yeah, the boat is nice. It's got a chair, a steering wheel, red, green lights, a complete cop boat, which it's a nice boat. And then you have the construction side. The guy is carrying something on a cart. It's a wheel, and there's a crane. This crane is not a Lego crane. The space center can open up, and what's inside, and turn around. Space police manning the space center. This guy is the space police. Too many things to control over here. Here, gears, space police. Space police. Here's the guy. Go back there. He's got a big rocket to handle. Communication systems. A cartwheel, just to carry additional stuff. It's stuck to this on hinges, though. You can see there hinges. Yeah. So that's about 15 minifigs in all that we have. Plus, if I remove these out, there's a lot of stuff in here. You can see exhaust systems, gears, bows, helmets, knives, guns, a lot of things. Shield. This shield also belongs to a guy. There is also a hairbrush, and that's the hairbrush, and a plow to dig out stuff. So if you're a construction worker, you want to use this, right? Okay, then we have all these pieces of additional Lego. There are some wheels, lots and lots and lots and lots of Lego. That's a lot of Lego. Look at my hand. It's all deep here. Big pieces and small. I got this then. These are basically all the spare parts, all the hinges and parts that you are likely to need with your Lego constructions. This is basically 2 base plates, and there are also some hinges and other type of things which you can use here. This, and finally there is a lot of marked pieces which are very useful. Pirate, police, meter, Shell petrol pump. There's a Shell petrol pump with all of these, the police meters and space police. All these will basically be a part of the sale. Thank you so much. Remember, there are 15 minifigs and a lot of Lego which is out on sale. Thank you.